Our class topic is about agriculture, world types and awareness. Jai Kishan, Jai Jawan, Jai Vignan. That is first preference to farmers and agricultural activities, and next to Jawans means border army, and Jai Vignan means engineers, scientists, doctors and technicians. However, the first preference is given to the farmers. Without farmers and agriculture, there is no world. And example, every employee or politician works for a salary and depends on salary and lead life on salary, which is others' income or public fund. But farmers get income from the earth. Farmers can create income from the soil by hard work. Day and night they work hard in the field, plus supervision continuously from cultivation, seeding to flowering and ripening stage of crops for 3 months, 6 months and up to 1 year crop period. Different crops have different yielding time, maturity time. In crops, there are mainly two kinds. Number one, commercial crops, and number two, food crops. Commercial crops, example, cotton, mirchi, etc., dry crops. And food crops means paddy, vegetables, greens, etc. Farmer's income is real income. It is obtained by hard work. It is obtained from the field. It is obtained from the soil. It is obtained from the earth. Farmers do not depend on anybody. They do not depend on others. They create their own income from the fields. So, the farmers are called as kings, but not servants or workers or employees, etc. Farmers have such a great value in the society. Now, agriculture types. Petty agriculture, minor agriculture, medium agriculture and major agriculture and high level agriculture. There are mainly 5 kinds. And you can also classify mainly into 3 types also. Minor, medium, major too. Petty agriculture system. In this system, farmers do part-time agriculture activities. That is, agriculture activities on terrace or in veranda or open place of houses, etc. Here, the cultivation area is up to 10 cents or 4 kuntas, etc. And in minor agriculture activities, the extent is 10 kuntas, that is 0.25 acre to 2 acres. This is minor irrigation system, minor agriculture activities. Medium agriculture activities, in this system, farmers have 2 to 10 acres land. In major agriculture activities, in this system, farmers will have 10 to 25 acres. And in high level agriculture activities, farmers are rich farmers, they are very rich and they have hundreds of acres. Medium, major irrigation systems will have dams, aqueducts, various kinds of projects, canal system, etc. And petty, minor irrigation systems will have tanks, bores, etc. Village kuntas, small sources, small water sources, etc. Now, agriculture activities types. There are mainly 2. Number 1, traditional agriculture activities. Number 2, modern agriculture activities. In traditional agriculture activities, animals, dung and leaves, example, margosa leaves, etc. are used. In modern agriculture activities, pesticides and chemical fertilizers are used. Agriculture systems, there are 2 types, organic farming and inorganic farming. Organic farming is always safe and best. Here leaves and cows dung and electrohomeopathy and all system medicines, homeopathy medicines, etc. are used. This is safe, best system, give good health and increase the lifespan of the humans. Inorganic farming, in this system, chemicals and pesticides are used, harmful to our health. And these food crops create diseases and various kinds of health problems. So, organic farming is always safe, best and good for health. In organic farming, your income may reduce to from 15 to 25%, but you will get sufficient income, 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, or 1 lakh, 2 lakhs per month, or yearly 25 lakhs, etc. No problem. So do organic farming, buy electrohomeopathy and alternate system medicines and animals, dungs, cow urine and margosa leaves, etc. This is safe and best for all. Our class topic is about agriculture, world types and awareness. Jai Kishan, Jai Jawan, Jai